Hi, I'm Gavin, and this is my OMNI 1325 ATC with a Syntec 6MB controller.
I have a business in Melbourne that makes kids furniture and equipment. I decided I needed a CNC router to help me prototype and manufacture new designs about 18 months ago. I had never tried to buy a CNC machine before, so I jumped online and I started doing some research. I found machines ranging from little desktop routers for a couple $100 to fully automated nesting machines for hundreds of thousands of dollars. I had to really have a think about how I was going to use the machine and what capability I needed that machine to have. When I started talking to suppliers, many of them would just send me a catalogue and ask me which one I wanted. I didn't really know where to start. It wasn't until I started talking to Alan from OMNI CNC that I really started to get somewhere. Alan was able to suggest some machine options based on what I was planning to do with the machine. It took a little while to settle on a final configuration, but once we did, I paid the deposit and construction started on my new CNC router. OMNI was able to supply me with all the accessories the machine needed for dust extraction, as well as a powerful vacuum pump for the hold-down table. The machine arrived with ISO 30 tool holders, clamps, as well as a few tools to get me started. I have been using the machine now for about 12 months and produced over 3,000 parts in that time. The machine has proven itself to be dependable, repeatable, and accurate. I'm still in regular contact with Alan and will continue to purchase tools and equipment from OMNI in the future. So if you are looking for an industrial CNC router or laser, I would strongly recommend getting in touch with Alan Zhang at OMNI CNC. He is easy to work with and always responsive to emails. Thanks for watching and happy cutting.